Weekly update, and we're going to see what's going on in the weekly chart. So right now we have a naked chart. There's nothing on it, and we are going to put on our moving averages here, and you can see that our exponential and simple moving averages are continuing to hold us down here, and this is major resistance, as well as we have this previous high here that is holding us down with those wicks. I believe we wicked slightly above this high here. So basically we are pretty much in the same boat that we've been talking about this level for the longest here now, for the last like 6 weeks. So we have a couple things to look at on the flip side here, on the bullish side. We did print a bullish engulfing on the weekly, and a lot of times when you get bullish engulfings, one or two things happen. You either continue straight up, or you pull back to the base of the previous candle that the bullish engulfing had. So that would be right here is our base, and you can see that we went right to it perfectly and then came back up. So that's what we got on the weekly. And if we jump over here, these are our levels. The blue is our buy levels. The green is our take profit levels. So now that we've broken this level, you can switch that to green, and that's a level you would want to take profit at. On buying these blue levels, it hit this level, it hit that level, you would be average in the middle. So technically you're in slight profit right now if you bought these levels, and you want to buy in multiples of 3 typically, especially when you're buying levels this close to each other. And then we also have, let's jump to the daily real quick. So the daily is a slightly different story here. The daily still looks structurally bullish. We could potentially tap these 50s. So I'll remove those real quick. And then you got to keep in mind, we do have a uptrend here. So we have our high, we have our higher high, and we have a low here, and then a higher low, and a higher low. So this is trending up. So we really want to see, a higher high push in, and that would break our level that's been holding us down. On the downside, this is the level to watch. We break this, that means we'll be creating a lower low on the daily. So if that happens, I will be more geared towards these levels down here at this 7 and 18K will be more probable to happen if we break up below this low. So we do have this support here, but that's going to be a sign that we're probably going to head lower. Now, what could happen is we we do break, but then we bounce. This bounce, I would expect a lower high, then forming a continuation, which then we would be reversing the daily trend. However, we go back to the weekly, we have our low here. This would be a higher low, and then we push up, and that would be our high and higher high, and we would officially start a weekly uptrend. Beautiful.